Hi, Elena. How are you doing?
Hi, Walid. Very good. Thank you. How are you?
Excellent. Thank you for joining me. Spanish companies have been leaders in desalination and water reuse. What made them so successful? And my next question is, what's next for the industry?
Water scarcity in Spain has led the search of non-conventional solutions to obtain water where the conventional sources are not available. And desalination is not the only solution, but it's a required supplement to water scarcity where we cannot obtain required water quantity and quality from conventional sources. Spain built its first desalination plant in Lanzarote in the Canary Islands in 1964, 58 years ago. Since then, the process has expanded through the islands and on the Spanish mainland, as well with big desalination plants of the Agua Nacional program. The Canary Islands are in the only dry areas of the country in need of new water resources. The coast along the Mediterranean Sea, particularly in the south, has suffered long periods of droughts and inadequate access to water. Despite water scarcity, the sun and climate have made the southern region the agricultural silo of Spain and much more of Europe, with miles of greenhouses stretching out of the horizon. Today, we have around 765 desalination plants in the country, providing around 5 million cubic meters per day of desalinated water for industrial, irrigation, and drinking water uses. Spain is the fourth country in desalination capacity installed, only after Saudi Arabia, United States, and the Emirates. All that background gave potential to Spanish companies specialized in water treatment to increase their experience with both building and operating desalination plants. We have to bear in mind that Spain has the greatest companies in the world with this level of technology and experience in desalination, and make up the largest percentage of competitors on the international market for design, engineering, construction, and operation of new desalination plants around the world. Companies such as Bengoa, Sacir, Aqualia, Cadagua, Tedagua, Inima, and of course ACCIONA. In ACCIONA, we have 85 desalination projects around the world, but also we have more than 330 wastewater treatment plants and 125 potable water treatment plants, including very complex waters treatment in regions as the Philippines. So what's next? In my view, we have a challenge up front, which is to reduce energy required and make water treatment completely independent from fossil fuels, either with the use of renewable energies or new developments to reduce energy consumption and increase plant sustainability.
Yeah, I think these are good points, Elena, and I'm sure Spanish companies will also be at the forefront of driving renewables in water desalination. So thank you a lot for your time. I'm looking forward to see you in WEX Global and continuing the discussion in Valencia in June.
Thank you, Walid.